coral siphoned by the corporations is beginning to resonate. Augmented Human C4621. Raven, your role has come to an end.
Well, well. I've been waiting for this, FreeLancer. I became part of this monster, so I could crush you. This time, you will die.
Main system activating combat mode.
Raven, all lines real goal.
C4621. Raven. C-pulse wave mutation. Air. You are the trigger for coral release. We will make you one with us.
I don't care about the big plan. I just want that damn FreeLancer dead. FreeLancer. You killed...
Iguazu, this body won't last.
Guess it's time.
Raven, all lines going.
You are aberrations to the plan.
Irregulars. We will bring order to chaos.
I'm with you, Raven. Now, I can fight by your side. I'll support you, Raven.
That damn noise. It was you all along. I'll kill you and the FreeLancer.
Air, your siblings will surely welcome us. Iguazu, you are one with All Might. No one can stop you now.
I said I don't care about All Might. You want some of this, I'll give it to you.
Now, Raven!
Dispose of them, Iguazu.
Shut up! I'll shut you all up!
It's resonating.
Iguazu, what are you?
Interference! I'm losing sync! I can't fight anymore.
They're gone. The ringing, the stupid voices. It's all clear now. I feel good. Now, it's just you and me. It was always so easy for you. The old Jen who could do it all. What makes you special?
You were a mistake, Iguazu. Irregular.
AP at 50%.
Raven, now's your chance.
Iguazu, dispose.
AP at 30%.
I know how this goes. This is where that grit of yours kicks in. I always envied you.
creation's potential.
We have the trigger. And we'll pull it ourselves. It's beginning. Coral release. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you, Raven. Raven, you're finally awake. The coral has carried us, disseminated us across the stars. Now, we're everywhere. Anywhere. Raven, let's meet this new age together. Main system, activating combat mode.